Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the busy status in Microsoft Teams. Let's say you're working on a project or whatever it is, or you simply just don't want to be disturbed and you want to set your status to busy. Just simple go ahead and click the account on the upper right hand side where you can see your status, click on available, and here you have do not disturb or busy. So you can easily select whichever, and as you can see right away, it set my status, and you can easily go ahead and even switch to do not disturb. That's also an option, and you can even put a message as well. That's in case somebody want to message you. Right before they do, it's going to show that message in your account or in your profile to them. So right as they open up your chat, they will see the message, I'm currently busy, blah 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 blah, and you can set those messages right here to for them to actually see, right? And you can even use the quick message as well to say, okay, 1 hour or whatever it is, something like that, right? So that's it, guys. That's how to turn on busy or do not disturb in, let's say, your Microsoft Teams. Very easy and very simple.